Students, last time we were discussing about balancing the chemical equation. So I told you last time that equation has to be balanced because we have to maintain the law of conservation of masses. Means the atoms on both the sides, that is reactant side and product side, should be same. So today we will discuss how to balance a chemical equation. Suppose you are given a question, write the chemical equation for the word equation and balance it. Suppose you are given zinc plus sulfuric acid gives you zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Okay, how to write this, that we will be discussing later on, how to write the chemical formula. Now for the timing, let's write its chemical formula and balance it. So we have to find out zinc, Zn, sulfuric acid, hydrogen sulfate, H2SO4 gives you zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 plus hydrogen, and it is in the molecular form hydrogen. Okay. Now we have to check whether it is balanced. So what are the atoms you find first? You are finding the atoms here. You are finding atoms, reactant side, product side. So first let's take Zn. The reactant side Zn is one atom. In the right side Zn is also one atom. Means zinc is balanced. If we go to hydrogen, or if I write hydrogen here, there are two atoms in the reactant side, two atoms. Also here you find two atoms, and this is also balanced. Now if I go to sulfate if I go, sulfur if I take, S is 1 here, and also product side S is 1 here. If I go to oxygen I can see here there are 4 oxygens in the reactant side, though 4 oxygen in the product side. So we find this is a balanced equation because the number of atoms in the reactant sides equals to the number of atoms in the product side. So you can write this is a balanced equation. Or if I write one more, if you write second person, hydrogen plus oxygen gives you water. Okay. So gases will be written in the molecular form, that is H2, then oxygen O2, and chemical formula of water is H2O. So here you find in the reactant side hydrogen is balanced, but oxygen is not balanced. So this is not a balanced equation. This is not a balanced equation. So the balance means you have to equalize the oxygen both sides. How to equalize? There are 2 oxygens here. If I multiply 2, then it will be 2 oxygen. That means what are you getting here? Now I have to multiply 2 here. So when I multiply 2, I find oxygen is balanced, but hydrogen again becomes 4. Here the hydrogen is 2. So again I have to multiply 2 here. This is 2H2 Now you can see here 4 atoms of hydrogen, 4 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of oxygen, 2 atoms of oxygen. Now this is called a valence equation. So let us take some more questions on this. Suppose I have a question here. See, calcium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid gives calcium chloride and water. Okay. So write its word equation. Write its chemical equation. Or its valence equation. So calcium hydroxide. How to write this formula? I will be teaching in the next class. For a further timing, I am writing here calcium Ca hydroxide OH 2. Why 2 will be discussing later on, not now. Plus hydrochloric acid HCl gives you calcium chloride. Calcium chloride CaCl2 plus H2O. Okay, you could have written here word equation. This is your second line. First line would be calcium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives you calcium chloride plus water. This is our first equation. Write the word equation. We have done here. Write its chemical equation. So based on the symbols, then we have to balance it. Okay. How to balance the equation? Look at here. Calcium is 1, oxygen is 2, hydrogen is 2. Okay. Then calcium, hydrogen is 1. That means total 3 hydrogen, 1 chlorine, 1 calcium, 2 oxygen. Look at this side. 1 calcium. Calcium is defined balance, but chlorine is not balanced here. You got 2 chlorine here, 1 chlorine here. So H2O. H2O means 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Here 2 oxygen. So let's start from here. If you multiply 2, then it will be 2. That means you are finding 2 times 2 oxygen you got, but it became how much? 4 hydrogen. But here it is 2 hydrogen plus 1 hydrogen is 3. So what I have to do? I have to write here 2 HCl. So 2 HCl CaOH2, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine here, Look at CaCl2. CaCl2. Chlorine is now balanced. Hydrogen become 2 to 4. Here is 2 to the 4. This is also balanced. Calcium is balanced because same. Oxygen is also 2. Oxygen is also 2. So this is the balanced equation. Suppose you check one more question. Zinc plus silver nitrate. Zinc plus silver nitrate gives you zinc nitrate plus silver. Okay. How to write its equation? This is the word equation given to us. So you can write zinc Zn, silver nitrate AgNO3. Okay, gives you zinc nitrate ZnNO3 2. So when I teach you the valence, then I will discuss why this is coming. Then plus silver means Ag. Okay, let's see now. What is not balanced? What is balanced? Ag is balanced here. Zinc is also balanced here. Nitrogen is 2. Nitrogen is 1. Okay. Then oxygen is 6. Oxygen is 3 here. You can just get a clue here. If I multiply 2, then it will be 6 oxygen. That means you are getting zinc plus 2AgNO3. So 2Ag became, oxygen became 6. Gives you Zn plus not 2 silver. So I have to multiply here, it will be 2 silver. Now you check 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, 6 oxygen, 2 3 are 6 oxygen. So now it is a balanced equation. Take some more on this. Let's take some more question on this. If I take one more question. Balance the following equations. So that is given to us CH4 plus O2 gives you CO2 plus H2O. Okay. Check, this is balanced down now. Carbon is balanced. Hydrogen is 4, hydrogen is 2, not balanced. Oxygen is 2, oxygen 2 plus 1, 3, not balanced. So if I multiply 2 here, it will be 2 oxygen. That means you are getting 2 times H2O. So in its 2 times H2O, hydrogen is 4, hydrogen is 4. That means hydrogen is balanced. Oxygen is CO2. Oxygen is 4. 2 plus 2 4 here, oxygen is 2. So you can multiply 2 here. Now you can check this is a balanced equation. Let's see some more question of this. Suppose sodium plus water gives you sodium hydroxide NaOH plus hydrogen. Okay, 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. So this is creating problem. So let's multiply 2 here. If I multiply 2, oxygen became 2, hydrogen became 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Here is 2. So let's multiply 2. 2 plus 2. The hydrogen became 4. Oxygen is 2. Oxygen is 2. Hydrogen is 4. Sodium is 2. But no sodium is 1. So let's write this 2Na. So now this is the balanced equation. See some more. If you find one more equation, Fe2O3 plus HCl gives you FeClP plus H2O. Check whether it is balanced or not yet, because this is 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 3, this is 3, this is 1, and hydrogen is 1, here is 2. So what you do on this? So oxygen, look at here, oxygen is 3. Here oxygen is 1. If I multiply 3 hydrogen oxygen, means it became how much? 6 hydrogen, 3 oxygen. Oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is not balanced. So here you write 6 HCl. Hydrogen is balanced. Now chlorine. Chlorine you see, this is 6. 6 means 6 chlorine, here is 3 chlorine, so it multiply 2. So chlorine is 6, chlorine is 6. Now iron is here, 2 times, Fe 2 times, means now it is done. Okay, just one more question. This is third one. Fourth one actually. Fe plus O2 gives you Fe2O3. So this makes a problem here. Look at this odd number pattern. Odd here. If you multiply 2, this will be 6. If you multiply 3, and also it will be 6. Means you are getting 2Fe2O3. Oxygen becomes 6. The oxygen will be here 3 now. 3O2. Then this is 4. This is 4, this is 1. So 4Fe. So now it is balanced. See one more. KClO3 gives you in the reaction KCl plus O2. The same clue here, oxygen 3, here oxygen 2. So I have to multiply here 3O2. If it is 3O2, then this is 3 2s are 6. Here is 3, then I have to multiply 2. KClO3. Okay. Oxygen is balanced. But when oxygen is balanced, potassium is 2 times here, 1 time here. So I will multiply 2 KCl. Now potassium is balanced, chlorine is 2 times, chlorine is also 2 times. So now it is a balanced equation. See one more equation. N plus O2 gives you N2O3. Again the same clue you are finding. 3 numbers here. So multiply 2. If you multiply 2, 2N2O3. Oxygen becomes 6. Here is 2. So 3O2. The aluminum is how much now? 4. 2 to the 4 here. So this is 1. So 4A. So these are the procedure how we will follow it to balance the equation. Tomorrow we will study some new things. Go to your textbook and try to balance it.